What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Oscar and this is my 1973 Ford Bronco. We are going to be starting our Coyote swap today. Let's get into today's video. A while ago we talked about the Bronco. It's been precisely 6 months. That's how this build has gone for me. It's been an off and on love affair for about 2 years, and now it's time to actually get this thing wrapped up. We had the 351, we pulled it out. Now it's time to go with the Coyote.
Here we go.
All right, the old geezer got this thing pretty much. Sam got this thing pretty much ready to pull out, so his pull-out game is a lot better than mine. So we're gonna get this thing out of here. The 351 is out. This is a really good running motor, but in a quest for power, we're gonna go ahead and go with the Coyote. Now, I'm still keeping this motor. I got 2 more Broncos back there, so this might be the one that I'm gonna use for my desert toy. So this is not the end of this motor. It's a really good motor. Got Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads, Edelbrock manifold, Edelbrock carb. It's got the works on it. It's a good running motor, so we're gonna go ahead and put this motor to the side. It's Friday here. You know how Fridays go. Samuel L over here, he just told me if I go buy a bottle that this motor is gonna be sitting in the car before we leave today. Is that what I'm hearing? Yep. We have a Coyote out of a F-150, so this is not like the high horsepower, but it got a little bit more torque, and that's really what we want in our Bronco. About 15,000 miles on this motor, which is pretty cool, and about 30,000 miles on the tranny. As well as the advanced adapter plate that goes to our Dana 20 transfer case. That's all gonna go behind that 6R80.
We're getting close to installing the motor on the Bronco, the Coyote swap.
It's like we like it.
Go forward, go down, a little bit.
We're gonna try to line it up.
There you go. Okay.
There it goes. Needs to go back now.
Hang on.
Needs to go over. Oh,
Where am I?
you're right there, but it needs to.
Hang on.
It's close.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Hold on. Are you in over there?
I can't see.
I'm in over here. Alright guys, and she is in. So we're checking clearances on everything. That's gonna be an issue there, which is the steering shaft. We're gonna have to get a different either steering column or a shaft with 2 like rack joints or knuckles that'll give her clearance because it's rubbing against the valve cover there. That'll actually relieve some of the pressure against that, but I mean pretty much it's on where the motor mounts go. And then from there we can slide the tranny and see if we have to do any other measurements.
Motor's right in there.
All right, so this is the 6R80 automatic transmission. This is the advanced adapter plate. This goes onto the tail end and connects it to the transfer case, which Sam has already kind of cleaned up. and kind of got it ready to get back on there.
Yeah. This is where this piece goes.
Okay.
Okay? Right there.
Something like that, right?
Right there.
Shoot that thing.
Oh no, this goes to here.
Oh, this comes off.
Yeah, and see, I got to do work in here. That's this piece.
Okay.
That piece there, and it takes this shaft and this bearing and these gaskets right here.
Well, you might have to paint it silver this time.
What? No, don't leave this aluminum.
No,
dude.
no, this.
Oh yeah, we can go gunmetal gray. Or what is that?
Aluminum?
No.
Gunmetal?
Gunmetal.
No.
Gunmetal gray.
Cast iron.
Cast iron, yeah. Cast iron gray. That's what it is.
Okay.
Pretty much we're just mocking everything up. Everything's gonna be coming back out. The tranny came with the torque converter. We'll just go ahead and take that out. And then we still have to get a flex plate for the motor itself so we can bolt that in. But for now, we got all the bolts we need. Got it? Yep.
Whoa, easier.
One thing we ran into, obviously, this behemoth of a tranny is pretty big, so we're gonna have to remove the cross member, maybe at least loosen it. Pump it. There it goes. Clear. There she goes. Pump it. Oh, you know that feeling, pump, huh?
Yeah.
Are you old enough to pump it? You have a little penis pump?
I'm so good, I'm a one pump chump.
One pump chump. Against all. But
Nice, motherfucker, nice.
Who loves you?
Yeah, everybody. Why'd you eat the paint off the car?
Hey there, buddy.
You gave doubles. To the Bronco. Horse dead horse. That's not smooth. That's really smooth.
Guys, and that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a cool Friday. We had a whole bunch of stuff. We had to turn ins and everything like that. But just in that time, we were able to drop the 5.0 and the Bronco. And that, you know what, that's just one step closer to getting this thing done. And that means a lot because I've had this project for a while. And I could have just easily turned and burned this thing with the 351 in there. But you know what? We're striving for greatness here. And I think that 5.0 Coyote is going to make all the difference in the world. So thank you guys so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace. You guys, I had another Bronco.